How to fix Messenger app voice message speed. In Messenger, if your messages are being delivered slow and you're facing problem with the speed, then here's how to fix it. So the main problem here might be with your network connection. Check your network connection and make sure that it is strong. Open settings on your device and go to the Wi-Fi option. If your current network is lagging, then remove the current network and re-add the same network or a different one. You can also try to switch between your mobile data and your Wi-Fi to see if that helps. After this, go back to your previous page and tap on the option General. In General, you need to scroll down and select the option VPN and Device Management. If your device is connected to any VPN, then you will need to disconnect those. Disconnect any VPNs that might be connected and go back. Now go to the search bar on the very top and search for the Messenger application. Click on it to open it. Here make sure that the microphone and camera are in the allowed section. Go to the photos at the top, select full access and again go back to your previous page. Again select the general option and go to iPhone storage. In iPhone storage, search for the Messenger app and open it. Select the Offload app option and again tap on Offload app. After doing this, your problem should be fixed. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.